Furthermore, the success of the Jest method hinges on the quality of the training data. The bootstrapping technique utilized by Jest requires a highly curated initial dataset to function effectively. This means that while Jest shows great promise for large-scale, well-funded AI projects, it might pose challenges for hobbyists or smaller developers who lack the resources to compile high-grade training data. Essentially, this method emphasizes the old adage of garbage in, garbage out, underlining the necessity for top-tier data to achieve optimal results. If implemented widely, however, Jest could revolutionize how major players in the AI industry approach model training, possibly reducing costs and power consumption while accelerating development timelines. Another neat thing they found is something they call data quality bootstrapping. It sounds fancy, but it's pretty straightforward. It means using a small, highly curated set of data to guide the training on a much larger, messier set of data. So even if you start with a tiny, really good data set, Jest can help you scale up to train on a vast amount of data efficiently without losing quality. This is a big deal because high-quality data sets are usually hard and expensive to create. Now, this method isn't just limited to one type of data or task. It works across various benchmarks, which means it's versatile. For example, they tested it on a data set called WebLI, which is a large-scale collection of images and text from the web. And the results showed remarkable improvements in both learning speed and resource efficiency. So if Jest proves effective on a larger scale, it could drastically reduce the power needed to train AI models. This means we could develop more powerful AI tools with the same resources we use now, or use fewer resources to create new models. Essentially, we're looking at faster advancements in technology, less strain on our energy resources, and a smaller environmental footprint. It's a win-win-win. All right, now, the big AI companies in China have been making some major claims about their large language models at this huge AI conference happened recently. It's like a competition to see who can boast the most impressive advances. You know what I mean? So there's this company called SenseTime. They're kind of big shots in the AI game over there. They just unveiled the latest versions of their SenseNova LLMs. And get this, they're claiming the new 5.5 model is like 30% better than the previous one from just a few months ago. Wild, right? The CEO, Xu Li, he was on stage hyping it up big time, saying the key to success in Chinese AI is basically building these high-level logic systems using synthetic data for different industries. Xu claimed that this 5.5 model supposedly outperformed GPT-4o, the latest and greatest from OpenAI, in 5 out of 8 key metrics according to some benchmarking data from a platform called OpenCompass. I mean, take that with a grain of salt for sure, but still, that's a pretty big flex. Flexing on OpenAI like that is a gutsy move. Now, despite making these huge claims about their model's performance, SenseTime's stock price actually tanked like 16% on the same day in Hong Kong.